You can have both style and comfort. Learn how to wear and style the most comfortable pieces in your wardrobe. Let's chillax and give thanks to our extra comfy clothes that are like chicken soup for the fashionista soul. Toss aside your high heels, throw out your spanx, and relax into these stylish ensembles. Let's take a look at all the extra comfy clothes we're going to focus on in this style series. A fleece, a hoodie, thermals, a muumuu, sweatpants, and yes, even leggings. So in previous episodes, we've covered some of these items. So we've already looked at fleece, so you'll want to go back and check that episode. We've already looked at also the hoodie and the thermal. So this episode is all about extra comfy leggings. So let's do the rundown. What do we know about leggings? We know they are super warm and they are so comfortable and they go great with boots. If this was a typical video of mine in a regular style series, at this point I'd be showing you all the extra cute styles of leggings and you would go, Aisha, I don't have any of these in my closet. I just have regular leggings that I got for $20, okay? So I go, I hear you. I'm not going to give you extra cute stylish print leggings. I'm going to go with what most of us probably have in our wardrobes. Most of us have a pair of gray leggings, and so whether it's light gray like the one shown here or the darker gray, most of us have these. So gray leggings, what can you wear? I love this very loose style tunic style shirt, but you can see it's a little bit like a sweater, so I love it because it's still warm but it's loose fitting, and it's just one of those things you're like, I just don't want to deal with anything today. I want to kind of just hide. So it's a perfect slouchy shirt to wear with leggings. I have a pair of ballet flats to wear with the leggings. And then a super stylish scarf with a blue print on there to add just a little bit of color to this gray look that we're layering with grays and blacks. You can see it's more of a bluish gray, actually, would be a more correct description of the color. So again, we're staying with that same color palette, and then we have the great black tote bag that we're wearing with it. We've made it a little bit more stylish in that, we have our initials on it, so it's a little bit more stylish and chic. But again, this is the day you're just like, I just want to relax and be comfortable. But I don't want to look like a hot mess. This is what you can put together to wear with your gray leggings. We also all have the pair of black leggings in our wardrobe. And so what can you do to style that up a little bit? And again, it's something that's still comfortable. You can run around town in, and you can enjoy the comfort of the leggings. So what we have for this, we have a long, just white tank top. You can see it's not really supposed to be form-fitting. It's supposed to be a little bit loose. Add a little bit of edge to it with this great black purse with the studs on it, and then a pair of wedge black boots to go with it, so it's a little bit edgy. You'll also know that we have this sheer blouse that has this like funky little print on it, and actually the way that you would style and wear this is you would wear it open like this. So you would have the leggings on, you would have the long t-shirt on, and then you would have this sheer shirt worn open, and it would just be flowing behind you as you do your catwalk down the street. So again, all of these items are comfy. Even the boots, they're wedge boots, so you can wear them for a really long time without them hurting your feet, and you just look very stylish, chic, and put together. And that's how you would rock that long sheer shirt. Perfect for leggings. At the beginning of the series, I said this was all about giving thanks for all the comfort we've received from our comfy clothes in our closet, but I also wanted to share with you a story of comforts, a story of when someone provided me with comfort, and in a little bit I'll tell you exactly why I'm doing that. So here's the story for this particular episode. I remember one of the most stressful things you can do, of course, as a high school student is to have to go take your SATs. So, you know, the day before they tell you to get a good night's rest, have a very hearty, healthy breakfast in the morning to help you, and you have to go to some strange location to go take your SATs. And so, you know, you're all excited and on edge and about to do that. And I remember in the morning, you know, it was a Saturday, and my dad got up with me. You know, I'm like putting my breakfast together. He can tell I'm a little bit distracted because, you know, you have to go do this thing that could potentially impact your future and what colleges you get into. And so he knew that I was nervous. And so eating, and he was kind of quiet all during the day. And then it was time for me to leave, and I was going to drive myself to go take my SATs. And my dad, you know, actually hugged me, said, "Good luck, you're going to do great." And I believe he even said, like, "I love you." And now you have to know, if you knew my dad was not a very affectionate dad. He was not someone that would say his feelings. He wasn't somebody that said, "I love you," and that sort of thing. So it was very shocking. I couldn't remember the last time that my dad was able to, like, say his feelings and express them that way. I was kind of like in shock. So I remember driving to the SATs and being like, oh my God, this is an even bigger deal than I thought if my dad's acting like this in the morning. But actually it did provide me comfort, and it did distract me all the way to the SATs, so that, you know, I was a little bit more relaxed. But it did provide me that comfort and that assurance that I needed right before I had to go take this major test. And I did only end up having to take it one time and not multiple times. So that was great. So I'm just very appreciative of my dad for doing that. And, you know, this is really a time to take stock of people in your life as well that you would maybe want to say thank you for those times that they provided you with comfort. And I'll discuss that a little bit later in the video. Also with this series, we are giving away scarves. So you'll have an opportunity to win a scarf, and I will show you exactly how you can go and win one of these gorgeous scarves. As you've seen throughout this series, that scarves are a great way to, like, dress up any sort of outfit. And so I wanted to give away some scarves to help you guys with that effort. Use the link below the video to access the slideshow. Scroll down, fill out the form with your email address. Scroll down, let us know who you sent the greeting card to. Check the box that says "I'm not a robot." And then hit submit, and you'll be entered to win a comfy scarf. To view this slideshow, it plays on its own, but you can also use the arrows to forward through the different slides. You'll be able to open it in full screen to read all the text. Or just look at it in the regular slideshow format. You can share the slideshow on Facebook. Just click the Facebook button. It'll pop up in an open window, and click Post to Facebook. You can also tweet this out. Just click on the Twitter button at the end of the slideshow. It'll open up in a new tab, and you hit the tweet button, and you can share it with your followers. You can also highlight the link at the bottom of the slideshow and just paste it into any email or onto any social media platform to share. Remember to fill out the form and forward the slideshow to someone that you want to say thank you to. Fill out the form, hit submit, and you'll be entered to win a scarf for this Comfy Clothes Chic series. Don't forget to do it. And that'll be it for this episode of Comfy Clothes Chic. Sad to say this is the end of this episode, but I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.